to me. Someone is burning, but that's okay. All right, we ready? We'll find out. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is a very interesting race. Track conditions are much different here in Maker Faire Orlando when we've got lots of water on the track. Whether it's caused by nature or someone crashing into one of the barricades. So if you didn't know, anyone who's singing, oh, we're under caution already. Under caution. And we're going green. If you all didn't know that we're standing right along the barricade here, you are in the splash zone. These bins are filled with water. If a cart decides to careen into one of these bins and it explodes full of water, you will get wet. Just a fair warning. Go under caution again. Are we still under yellow? Still under caution? Yes, we are. Yep, we're under caution.
I'm gonna go off.
You good?
Yes.
All right, going back to green. Looks like Drifty Monster attempting to pass on the outside. It's a bold move for Drifty Monster. Not too fast to start, but a good mid-packer. Under yellow again. Going back to green. And to answer my previous question, the lights on Florida Man still work. Many of these cars have been built for several years and they've been tweaked on, modified. That burning smell is getting stronger. I hope it's not one of our parts. Does everyone else smell it or is it just me? You guys smell that burning smell? It's probably a cart. Tomorrow, for sure, during the endurance race, where they have to wait for 75 minutes, there have been known to be carts that are well on fire. Because all of these carts, like I said before, are built for a budget of just $500, which means you've got to choose very carefully. You've got to choose very, very carefully where you're spending your money. Looks like Gary was actually out in the pits trying to fix the problem. Gary was doing super well in the last race, but anything can happen. The fastest races you can push to the back, they can have a technical issue, and push another race. Oh, we're getting real close there. That was almost 3 wide in the narrowest part of the track. That's not possible. You can't actually put 3 cars wide there, but they did. Gary has blown a fuse. Apparently the water was too much for him. Moxie board, there you go. Make sure you vote for your favorite for the Moxie board. Tokyo Drift living up to the name. Just around this corner. It does look stylish. It looks like Gary's back on the track. We're under caution. Looks like fast food cart. got a little sideways there in the back. Got extra pits. No injuries though. It appears we're going to go right back to green here. This is one of the best spots right here. You go 3 wide. It's very exciting. Some of these carts can run upwards of 30 miles an hour just on a straight track. Some of them are actually quite more capable than that if you use them. Here's still drifting around the corners. That's her namesake. Pillow Fight, still doing great. Pillow Fight is holding her own there. A lot of good blocking visually with Pillow Fight. Hard to get around him. Although they are getting passed by Ecto and Natural Log. Ecto and Natural Log battling for position. Going back to green. Raphael, Bumble Beemer, Ecto 1 are your current leaders. We're 18 laps into a 30-lap race. Raphael actually picking up the lead. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. They are heroes in a half shell, if you didn't know that. The fastest lap is the Beemer. What's the lap time? The fastest lap is 16.829 from the Bumble Beemer. That's real close to Gary's fastest lap of 16.7, but that was on a dry track. This is definitely not dry. Whoa. We're at lap 20 now. Ecto 1's got a clear track in front of him. Can they pick up a position? Maybe they didn't want to hit some lap traffic. Florida man's guiding lights there are looking a little worse for wear. Gary still has both of his ice belts. I believe by this point last time he had already lost one. There's going to be some things to reinforce the ice belts this time. The Gecko cart drifting around every corner effortlessly, like it's nothing. It's really slick out here. It's easy to do. Most of these cars are running go-kart tires. Some are running rain go-kart tires, as is appropriate. Some are running slick. Looks like Batmobile is battling drifty monsters. Batmobile is trying to catch up. They keep running up on him. You gotta wait for the right time to do a pass. There are only a few spots in this track that are really easy to pass on. And we're at 5 laps to go. 5 laps to go. Four laps now. Raphael is actually now in the lead. Three laps to go. 3 laps to go. We're under caution, general caution on the track. And we're back to green. under caution. Florida man getting it sideways there. Almost rear-ended Gary. And I believe this is the final lap. This is the final lap. Final lap. Raphael is in the lead. And we're going to finish this race under caution, it looks like. All right, going back to green. And Raphael takes the win. Followed by Raphael, Ecto 1, and Natural Log are your winners today. First, second, and third place. Whoa, he almost got that completely turned over there. All right, so we're an update. Bumble Beemer, driveway right now, actually had the best lap time of 16.8 seconds during the race. But due to a technical malfunction, their transponder dropped signal and they lost a lap, and so it put them at the very bottom of the standings.
It was going faster and then it slowed down.
They were second. Technical problems happen. It was scanning everyone else just fine, so maybe their transponder became disconnected or loose wire or something. So to third place, I'm awarding the bronze medal.
And that's to Natural Log, right? Kyle? Natural Log?
One is Raphael, 2 is Ecto, 3 is Natural Log.
Woo!
Natural Log. Third place, everyone. Give it up for Natural Log. His cart is made out of not even good wood. It's like MDF.
Well, you know, it's plywood mostly.
The bomb is important. The bill of materials as it is. In second place, Ecto 1.
Actually, the
silver, okay.
Woo!
Ecto 1. And in first place, our friends Raphael. So tell me, what was the hardest part of this race?
The hardest part of it, there's so much traffic out there. It's narrow, just really that corner that I knew was going to make or break it each time.
Very cool.
And how about you, sir? Did the water change the driving dynamics on this track?
Yeah, it definitely was more slippery, but some people cheated and put rain tires on.
They're actually cheaper than my slips. They knew it was going to rain because it's Florida.
And Natural Log. With your cart made out of wood, is it heavier now that it's completely soaking wet?
So the previous wooden cart fell apart when it got wet. This one has been waterproof. So
that's an advertisement for Thompson's Water Seal, available at your local Home Depot. Not a sponsor. All right, everyone, thank you very much for coming. If there's any questions, the drivers will be around here in a little bit. If you guys want to ask any quick questions, stick around. Thank you very much. We're doing 2 races tomorrow. The sprint race, a fourth sprint race, and the endurance race, which is in the afternoon. And that will be a 75-minute long race. Give it up for your drivers. Thank you, everyone, for coming. Enjoy the rest of the fair, and we'll see you tomorrow.